200.
Frankie,
200. I am a young achiever.
Princess, good morning. Hey, Princess, get came.
Jerry, laugh for tell my friend Jerry. Rest be call laugh from there. Laugh for young achiever. You are claiming thick skin. You don't even know I have an elastic heart too. Don't complain. I'm coming bit by bit. Your video makes it to nowhere. Go and check. Check your page. Your video makes 100, 200 views. And you're comparing me.
You know you insulted me. And I'm not even talking about your mother.
It's a lie because I remember the day I was in your page. Your comment section was against me too. You were quiet and I was battling myself. Did I complain? No.
I'm going to book the highest gift to land. I'm going to give to the lover. You have the highest gift.
Okay. Now, not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is still valid. In my wife,
I have gift to land. I want to give to the lover.
Do you know why it's valid? Do you know why my points are valid? Young achievers do not have disability. Me and you know that one. So video apology I make and they have fear. He defend him several times. Mbona I trend and he children me trend going with 800 views. You were defaming me there and you are happy. Now you will chop defamation, die. You go reach for
Swanky.
You will chop defamation. Young achiever is a liar. For you to come out and tell person that you apologize, you are a liar because at some point I said young achiever. Before I continue with you, first of all, tell story to me. Before you say the story, did you tell me saying you are sorry?
Can you say sorry to him?
Young achiever, did you come to my DM saying you are sorry?
Bro, so you mean that?
Young achiever, can you apologize in my presence?
So peace, so young achiever actual peace. I am talking about
don't mind him.
Bare minimum. Even the more you cannot afford bag of water. You cannot afford bag of water. You cannot be to sit down. Big down. It can do better than you. Big and bigger than you. Big and bigger than you.
I'll show you my shop.
You are big. You are hungry. Big, you are hungry. I'm doing better than you.
Why don't you show
I'm
my shop?
better than you.
Swanky Ozola.
Why can I afford pure water? He's talking to me. Because you will on. How dare him?
Ozola, able to let me Ozola.
My son is okay.
Back to my point. Young achiever.
Ozola.
Joke before you move. Oracle. I can forward the chat to you. I will record it and you will see that he came to talk about Oracle, not even himself. Even as we were talking, he was forcing me out of my mouth. And I said, in your Oracle, okay, tell me what to say about this thing. Swanky, say this thing about this thing. About Oracle.
Swanky.
Did you just say your guy?
Swanky, ask him go Zola.
No, in Yamira, I will stop sagaring achiever, but I will saga him for like at least 1 week so that I will be okay.
No, allow him.
It will be like it sounds like it feels like Otakitanum. Jokpara ban, Jokpara, and I set your camera or some swanky. Like Emma, no, it won't look nice.
Fire. Oh, you have fire. The live stream.
Swanky, I can't find out how I buy a 60 about that. Yeah, won't dig it.
If not Bondara, imagine I go and do a good one. I
don't know your town. You will never
Mapo cannot on achieve an armady.
Come on, you bastard. Come on, Sheba. Look at Ewunaga school. Let go there Ewunaga school. Look at that.
My brother, see, let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Don't beg anyone on behalf of, I love you. You are someone that loves peace. But sometimes, you don't force peace. So if go to here, or we are not bam, Monaco, is one of my
young achiever.
Young achiever,
Listen.
You can work against you.
Listen to me. Go to your live stream. Prepare your live stream. Apologize to Swanky. I will join the live stream. It will be an evidence that you have apologized to him. Let peace reign. Kapisa reign among us. Bikono. I know why I'm looking for this peace. Listen to me. I am strong enough to handle any bullets. I am strong enough to take any shoot that can come from anybody. And when I'm put on Bikono.
Okay, so what's wrong? My brother,
I told me we're being a corner, it won't get risky. When I tell you to stop, you stop. When I say stop, you stop. Because when I say stop, stop.
Did I say anything bad?
I
asked a question.
When I say stop, I'm here to talk to you. So I can announce it. Ona na get umoku. Ona na get umolu. Mpuze so no chere. Ona manchezi. Asmo rapuze no kwa. Leave this matter. Rapuze no this matter. Rapuze this matter. Let this matter die. For Christ's sake.
My brother go here there so we man put an oku for example only one he got chopaka from him. Okay, what that
be today you guys will see me reconciling with Ijele. Money Ijele by 6 o'clock. Only have my apology video with Ijele. I'm going to reconcile with Ijele. Money Ijele Gimeshi. I doji. I dozie. And just about that. Jemeshi Ijele and Abada. Ijele and Abada, they are coming back together.
Ijele say you never. When we get who can get into.
Ask him Rapuga. Bebe Croy him, Rapuze, Morgan Quell, Morgan Hequel, come to the apology, me.
Good morning. Please, young achiever, I want to ask you something. When you defame Swanky, did you do it in your own life or another person's life?
Oh, no, that was in Ijele live stream.
And you know that Ijele has more view. And that's what Swanky is trying to say. Ijele has more view. Now, if you want
it is not about the view, my sister Cherish. It is not about the view. Mimere video. Mother Bofro. Mophone. We're not talking about the view. We are talking about what you have done to people while they're angry. Get the point. We are not here to talk about the view. I will give a video. Mother 10 after. Mother 10 after. The way Jenukuru. Akimana Ashere. Abro Foyana Koya. O Madabona Kwasher. Madaboka Ashere. Oh, go. It is about what you have said. Have you said a lot of things? Yes. Yes. Oh no, the angry. Yes. His anger is it valid? Yes. Yeah, can you go here? Oh, Major go now.
I understand you. But now asking Young to do video. Do you think that Young leave this thing he's doing here? Do you think that Young achiever will accept to that?
Young
achiever, you defend me once, so don't insult me in I'm in your life.
Because I
respect you so much.
What I asked you to do.
Thank you because that's not interview.
Because JMC give me now. I'm ending my live stream. I'm gonna join. I want to watch your own doing it. The way pictures want to about my apology. Public apology. Mama to tell watch real. Mama to say watch real. Apology is apology. At that point, Mama Zera, and we go peace with get a Swanky. Swanky does it. Mazeno Swanky that just go.
Peace in the keep with him just like like apart from Mogaboro it's not like
tell me my equal make the peace in I don't want to know why you're doing it. All I say go and apologize.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Madam Lovett. Good morning.
Okay. Ray, please. I think all these right now about boxes. There is different boxes. You've seen me and you've known me for a while now. I'm not a TikTok person. I'm not a TikTok person. You meant to go to the back at younger chief. You have the nerve. You have the nerve to tell that you have.
I have a call to answer. Just hold on a second, please. Hold on.